Hi, we're both with Enphase Energy, and today we're here with another series of frequently asked questions. This one is focused on EV charging.
How are EVSEs installed? What are the options that I have?
So there's two different options when it comes to the EVSE. You can do a hardwired option or plug-in. So a hardwired option is going to be a unit that's going to come with raw wiring that needs to be connected to wiring from your panel. The plug-in option is going to be one where you have an outlet installed and you're going to directly plug a 240 volt plug into the matching outlet. The hardwired models are recommended in outdoor installations for ease of installation and the best connection to power. When you're installing inside a garage, you can do hardwired or plug-in, whatever is easiest for you. If you already have an existing outlet, you may be able to utilize that with one of the stations. So it'd be simply mounting the station to the wall and plugging into an existing outlet.
Is it okay for me to charge my car outside, possibly even in the rain?
Yes. For the station itself, it's built into a NEMA 4 rated enclosure. So it means that the station's fully sealed, so no issues being installed outdoors and in the elements. When you plug into your vehicle in the rain, there's also no concern. When you put your connector into the inlet of the vehicle, it actually forms a watertight seal, so there's no hazard to you.
If you didn't get your question answered today, email us at questions@enphase.com and we'll be sure to get to it next time.